debunk this myth. Canadian experience is not why you're getting rejected, because everyone tells immigrants these things. If you're moving to Canada, for instance, you're told that you must have Canadian experience. That is not the major reason why you're getting rejected. Yes, you need Canadian experience. You need to understand that recruiters will reject resumes even before they review the experiences if it doesn't pass the ATS. If your skills are not written clearly and in the Canadian way, it will get rejected. If your achievements are not written clearly in the first few seconds of the recruiter perusing your resume, you will not get screened, let alone get an interview. That is why I've built the resume and cover letter bundle. It is made for Canada. It fixes the real problem: clarity, structure, and relevance. It's only $9.99. Comment tracker to receive the link or click in my bio.